In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom shapes in Photoshop. This tutorial will guide you through each step to create unique and personalized shapes that you can use in your projects. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once you've launched the program, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace, especially if this is your first time using Photoshop. With the software loaded, our journey begins by creating a new canvas. To do this, head to the File menu and select New. A dialog box will appear where you can set the parameters for your new canvas. Set the resolution to 300 dpi to ensure high quality output, which is perfect for both print and digital use. You might also want to consider the dimensions of your canvas based on the project you're undertaking, but the resolution is key for now. With your new canvas ready, the next helpful tool is the ruler. Press Ctrl and R on your keyboard to make the rulers appear if they're not already visible. Rulers can be particularly useful for precise placement of your shapes. Click and drag from either the horizontal or vertical ruler to create guidelines. A good tip is to drag the guide to the center of your canvas, which can help maintain symmetry in your design. Now, the fun part begins. Select the Shape tool from the toolbar on the left. If you're not sure which shape to start with, click and hold the Shape tool icon to reveal all your options, which include rectangles, ellipses, polygons, and more. Click on the canvas and drag to draw your chosen shape. You can hold the Shift key to maintain the proportions, creating a perfect square or circle. This is where your creativity really comes into play. Play around with the different shapes and get a feel for what you can create. Adjusting your shape is the next step. You can modify its size, move it around, or change its color by using the Properties panel usually located on the right side. You can also rotate the shape or even combine multiple shapes to create complex designs. Don't hesitate to experiment as much as you need to. Once you're satisfied with your custom shape, it's time to save your work. Go to File and then select Save As to ensure you don't overwrite any existing files. Choose your desired format, whether it's PSD for further editing or PNG or JPEG for sharing and publishing. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed guide on how to create custom shapes in Photoshop. Practice, experiment, and soon you'll be crafting amazing designs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.